Hi, everybody. My name is Shannon Williams. I am the health and physical education teacher here at Forston High School. I just want to welcome everybody back to what will hopefully be another exciting year here at Forston. A couple things I just wanted to go through with you are course descriptions for both health and PE, and then a couple new things that we're seeing. As far as physical education, a lot of great things. What we look for, especially when we're in this class, is to help develop both the physical and mental health of our students. We do this by hopefully providing a wide variety of activities and opportunities for them to be successful, help provide release for the emotional stress and tension, to develop good behavior with other students, and to contribute to their physical fitness. To accomplish this, we do this through a variety of different activities, whether it be competitive or non-competitive activity, team sports, individual sports, team building. There's a variety of different things that we do for that. One of the exciting things for the PE teachers here was that this year we were able to utilize the locker rooms again, meaning that our students can now change for PE again. And so I think we'll be able to really push them a little bit more than we were able to last year because we didn't have that opportunity. So with that being said, your son or daughter will need a uniform, or they can bring in athletic shorts and then a t-shirt with sleeves on them to wear for PE class. So just make sure that they have that, make sure that they have non-marking shoes that they can wear as well for PE, and that they are taking that stuff home, and especially their uniform, and washing it on a regular basis. So please just encourage that. But so far our classes have been going great. My class sizes are a little bit smaller this year, which has been really nice. We've been able to really utilize that and get the students working well together. So I'm really excited about this year in PE. As far as health, this is a required class that all students have to take. It's a 1-semester course. And what we're looking at is we want to help our students make responsible decisions and learn the skills necessary to become autonomous adults. Our students are encouraged to assume responsibility for their own health and be aware of how the choices you make today will affect your health in the future. So again, great class. I really enjoy getting out of the gym and getting into the classroom to talk and speak about our overall health. So far, it's been going very well with the group that we have. So I'm really looking forward to that. And I always enjoy, like I said, getting out of the gym and getting into that classroom setting so I can get to know the students on a different level. As far as some of the behind the scenes stuffs, I will be utilizing Google Classroom again. So feel free to, if you would like the link for that, just let me know. You can email me. My email is swilliams@fedistrict221.org. Or if you ever have any questions, the phone number here is 815-938-2175. Just leave a message and I'll call you back during my prep time. But we will use that Google Classroom. So if you want that, just let me know. If for some reason your son or daughter has to go remote because they're in quarantine, the Zoom link that they'll be using for class is located in Google Classroom as well. So if they're unsure what to do, either just have them email me or make sure that they just go in there. They'll log in for that day through that link. So it should be in there for them to access. Other than that, I'm really looking forward to an exciting school year here. But if you ever have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me because I'm always willing to do whatever we can to help your sons and daughters. Thank you all for your time.